You made me host. It's okay. I will ask
Sorry,
whom to
sorry,
should I
sorry.
made.
Nike, Nike. Instead of Nike,
Okay.
Nike. Meanwhile, Narayana, for tomorrow, what are the points which we have to discuss that if you face something, right?
Where is
Uh,
it? It's cramped.
Yes, yes. We'll put this one. Yes.
It's screen now
Yeah,
visible.
visible.
Yes, yes.
Go to, yeah, you can filter in here, that is okay. But how we'll check? Go to that Excel and try to see which column, which row is having all the values. CSV. If you want to make simple, try to delete in CSV itself. Make a copy of that CSV and try to delete that output.
Okay, okay, okay.
And here more parameters are there, right?
Okay, okay.
Or what we will do, you try to put some value, no issue.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Delete the rows which where here from here it is starting, right?
Yes, sir.
Have you deleted the rows?
Sir, should I delete from here or from code?
Here you delete it, right? So code again, it will be like make a copy if you want. Make a copy. Make a copy of the CSV.
I have the original copy. I will delete from here.
Okay, delete directly. Delete uh, complete row. Mm. Yeah, keep it. No, around delete from this much. Delete rows. And go to first row. So in first row, still null values are there, right? That first 80, take that 25 value and keep it wherever none is there, even it is ours data or not. I
The
think
total for
SO2,
exit.
ozone, NOx, NO2, WD not required, SR not required, RH not required, PM 2.5, PM 10. Put some value. Or come down where PM 2.5 is there. Just come down. Because it is lot of missing value, right? So it will be very difficult.
Yes.
Yeah, so delete the data. This is good, I think. But deleting the index also, column index deleted. Control Z. So just one row down, title, top. Already selected. The cells are already selected. Go top. Just move down one cell. Yeah, delete it. So now PM10 2.5. No null values, right? No null values. That is good. And go to the last. Control shift down. It will not work. Shortcuts use shortcuts. It will take a lot of time. Oh, what is that none value? That keep some value. Don't keep. No need to go up. Okay. Keep some value. Like copy the side row, whichever it is.
Sir, can
Okay.
you hold it? Sir, sir, can you wait for 1 minute? Someone is knocking my door.
No problem. Go ahead. And meanwhile, what more points? I am just reading the points. Okay. So
Just I pinged with the combining your points and a little bit.
okay, then it will be good. You added some more points.
Only few ones.
Whatever it is, no problem. So
Yeah.
scrapped hourly data is
I typed in the Hangout. Sorry, WhatsApp.
that's what I am reading that only. Scrapped
Okay.
hourly data is different in AQI calculated URL. Okay, so for that, whether we will show them like something like
Yes.
screenshot, something like that.
No. We'll share the screen and we'll show
Then
this
at
one,
least we
right?
should have that data, right? Like which date it
URL.
is.
Okay. For 1 day, we can keep, right? That one you want to say.
So
Okay.
that it was with Ravi Teja. Ravi, you have
I,
that data,
I, I
right?
can also show. I can also show that.
Then make that dates
I'll
ready.
get screenshot. Screenshot also. I'll keep that
That will
screenshots.
be good, I think, because sometimes
Yeah.
we will think something and actual while
Yeah.
fetching it
At
will
that
take time.
time, it might URL might not work also. Okay. I'll
Ah,
keep the screenshots.
so
Yeah,
screenshot. This first point will take screenshot. Like 1 minute.
Yes.
Is out of way of imputation with different methods analyzing via. So RMS we have worked out and we will
Yeah.
try
Just
to
want to
ask whether
confirm.
it is
Yeah.
correct or not. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
After imputation, what is still some rows or having null
That
values.
means, what we have, right? Currently, if still we have null values after imputation with some process, can we combine 2 3?
Ah,
Of course,
so
we can do just
mm,
reference.
yeah, so even from them we are asking this
Yes.
approach.
Yes.
Okay, and AQA calculation. Two approaches are there. This is open,
This
right?
your
Whether it
point is
is
just copy pasted actually.
no problem. So means directly we can go through this, right? No need to open my sheet and see, right? This is combined one.
Yes, a combined one. Yeah, which you pasted in the WhatsApp
Ah,
group previously. The
okay,
same thing I
okay.
combined, added.
So sub indexes we are not taking. That is one thing. Even for fourth point, now we need some data like
Mm.
screenshot.
Okay, two approaches. Okay, lot of. So what actual thing is required in the
So
sub
two
indexes
approaches are
means?
there which are
Yes. Yes.
deviating a lot in calculating the equi values. Okay, that
Uh,
wait, let me read then. While calculating the subindex, one document says maximum and other document says mean. Okay, for CO and Z. These na Excel says actually maximum, and in the document or in the website which we are referring na extracting now, it is the mean value they are calculating and maximum of that value they are showing it. Okay, so this is one thing. Data scrapped and website values are mismatched. This one I want a screenshot, like data scrapped and website values are
yeah,
mismatched.
that I will take the screenshot.
This we can directly open the Excel first two tabs
Yes.
na, that we Excel
Yes.
it is showing this one, and in our web
Okay.
page it is showing mean only, that we can
Yes, yes,
even share. So
yes.
even this point we have to highlight. Okay, and where is our like 1 hour data? It is missing. Where is that one?
Oh, one note. Yeah, yeah. That one missed.
Just type in the bottom.
Yeah. Yeah.
23 hour last hour AQA value is missing. Just type. It will be there in that list. Okay. So even HLD and LLD now we will not say sample document. We will ask for the
Yeah, HLD is the main
final.
one, but LLD, yeah, the LLD also we can have because they
That
have
is
been
what we
created,
will
right?
not keep
Yes,
like
yes.
sample.
Sample one.
We
Yeah,
will
we'll ask
like
for
ask
LLD.
the documents as like
Mm.
Shivani has made because she already worked
Mm.
right now. So
Yes,
we
yes.
have to ask. If we ask sample, then
Okay.
they will upload directly to us. And
Yes, yes.
role
Yeah.
of IIT in this project
No,
definitely.
no, this is your point on which you made it. So because IIT domain, right? So what we are
Uh,
doing related to IIT in this
at least we should know
IoT.
theoretically what
Mm.
it is because
Yes.
from sensors it is not going to cloud also, right? It is
Mm.
going to cloud, something like that. It is there.
Ideally, no here. Just we can ask. So how the approach, how they thought this IoT program,
Uh,
IoT project. You can
since
ask them.
there is a sensor, it may be hardwired also. There
Mm.
no need
If
for
it is there, at least they can show the demo also, right? At
Hmm.
least you can
Yes.
ask that.
So weekly team meeting or no communication in the current group. This 8 point, whether we have to like highlight or normally tell or delete it.
No, the same thing. Which okay, this one also I took it. I just made it at weekly. So there is no sync up, right? Currently,
With existing and new, you mean to say,
yes,
or
yes,
with
yes. With
Inuran itself?
existing, with Ainuran also we don't have much,
So
right?
we will
It
say
is
that
completely.
meetings was not happening very frequently, and the project is going like in its
Yeah.
own path. Okay.
Yes. So we can ask when is the generic way of proposal meetings? How they?
Uh, so this is okay. So that's all right then. Then any
Yes,
apart,
yes. We'll add
apart.
it. We'll add two more definitely. Two more something it will come. Around
That's what.
minimum 10
Let
should be
let
there.
hear
Yeah.
from others. Others may
Yes.
get any other problems.
Mm. I think Sripati might
Sripati is
get
not there in the call.
okay. Okay, okay. He's not there. Okay, I see.
So Nayak, Praneeth, Aman, anyone? Did you
I,
have any other queries to be focused?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have one query that will get the internship certificate or not? Because
you'll
we
get it if you complete. You'll get it. But you can ask. You can ask.
You can ask. That
Subrat Mike,
you raise your
can you
voice.
scroll down?
Yeah. 10 point. You can add the points there. You can ask. That should be fine, right?
they are not assigning any task to us.
Hi Subrat Mike, can you please scroll down more?
Yes, sir. Sir, maybe after complete filling up the first and last row, it is getting zero number.
Zero null values,
No,
na?
here 14th one, 14th.
Yes,
Go
sir.
up. Yeah, yeah.
14th.
We can see still, and okay, you did not run it previously.
So which method you have used?
Sir, Akim.
Akima, then it is good, ra? Where you guys got a problem in between null values?
We just need that first row and last row to
Your
complete.
voice is low.
We just need that the first row and last row
Correct.
complete.
That is what I am also telling. So if we have made that rows right, in between it will try to predict. So it is good. So we will make sure that the first row and last row are not having any null values. That we can do it. Not a problem. If it is not there, also we will try to keep some dummy values there.
Yes, sir.
It will be good. So one query it is clear, right? The point in our list.
Hmm.
maybe there we can ask, since there is like a day itself it is missing, like more than 16 hours value if it is missing, what we have to do is we are deleting and we are proceeding. So will it be okay or not? Can we change that point to like that? Since it is filling
Yes, yes.
everything, we cannot like make model bias by filling all null values, even like 100 cells also available there. So
Yeah,
more
we can
than
ask if at all there is continuous null values.
uh,
So actually we can do.
so that we will change, rename that sentence to that one.
Mm.
Okay.
Yes, yes. You can put that yeah, there so that
So anyone Aman or
we'll not
Nayak,
forget.
whether you have worked on this only AQA part? So method it is freezed. Okay, Akima. So whether AQA, like how many cells are missing, how many rows are missing, like that, any observation?
Sir, what again, sir?
This is clear. Like for tomorrow, filling up null values, it is clear. We don't have any queries until unless until only one thing is if it is more than 16 rows, we are deleting. Whether it have any impact on this building model, whether we have to choose any other method.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, that we will try to confirm from them. That is clear. So I didn't see in filling up null values is nowhere like any problem is there. We can directly take that values and we can go for model building.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
So this is one approach. And second thing, coming back to our second path, like filling up of null values for only AQA, whether you have worked on it or not at all touched.
yes, yes. I
No,
have
no.
worked on it, sir. Akima is doing great comparison to all.
even
Wait,
for
I am.
even for AQA alone.
Yes, yes, sir. Wait. I'm showing.
ఎవరు ఆ? మమ్మీ కాల్ చేస్తుంది. మమ్మీ కాల్ చేస్తుంది.
Yes, sir. So this is score RMS score for other
Ah,
method.
so
Akima is 0.61,
best, right? 0.6 is very very less. It's very good here.
797270. All are Akima is doing great as compared to all.
So we'll go ahead with that.
Yes, sir.
Hi, sure. Can we go on testing with this? I mean, like, we have the original data, right? AQI, not everything, AQI, PM 2.5, whatever we scrapped the data.
Hmm.
Let us remove some values. Let us remember those values also. And let us run the model and let us see after predicting whether the value is matching, how much it is matching
That
to
is
the
what he
original
did.
data.
That is what he did. Even last time when I have shown you, na, same thing he has done with AQA.
Actually, Ishwar, we have done like the same thing which we have done by seeing like right data. We know the 5% of data, I think so.
Correct, Ravi. What we have done, we have deleted. I have showed, right. The first column is like original value, 5% of the total data we have deleted. That is the second column. After that, the predicted values are the next one. So we have original value and how much near it came. Based on that only, we have calculated the RMS value.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I think even with this, it is giving a good score alone. Equa. But just I want to know how many values are missing in a 1 year data, right? So it is a huge amount of data, or it is like you know, because I haven't gone through how much data is actually null or like that. And especially even Amman is saying that there are AQA values not there, but the maximum values of PM10, those values are it is there. So for that we have to use like a maximum of that 7 parameters, whatever it is there, and we have to fill AQI, and then we have to go with this predicting of null values. Clear, right, Nayak?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And Ishwar, one question to tomorrow in the call. Do we share the screen, this one, do you like to show the how the RMS score for different methods are calculated, or just we'll ask?
We can show now. What is the problem?
Okay, okay, just
Because
one.
see, there are two things which we want to show, like we are working ahead of them.
Yes, yes.
That we can show for null
Okay,
values, and
okay.
scrapping also we can show, but since they will go in a faster phase in model building and all those,
Yes,
that
yes.
alone we are like holding for some days. After that we will reveal after some
Yeah,
days
sure, sure.
we will reveal that.
Yeah, sure, sure. So because if you show, that's a better, right? We'll know how much
Correct.
effort we had put in
Correct.
this
Yes.
understanding.
Yeah, and also we will try to hear from them first, and then we will try to create.
Yeah, sure, sure, sure.
And maybe I may join little late. I will try to join in time, but I may join little like 10 to 15 minutes late. Then if you guys know, please carry on with that meeting.
Okay, okay. So, so with the okay, when you are late, if they ask about the filling null values, can we say this the approach and we able to fill it?
Yeah, we can free Zakima is doing good for both the things.
Okay,
Even null values, there is
okay,
no in between null values.
okay,
Even negative values also from Aman, he given comment that if first and last
okay,
values are not negative values, it will not give even negative
okay,
values.
okay, okay. Then is it possible for you to upload this data in there because sorry, that Shivani's GitHub?
After filling null values,
Yeah, so that we'll
yes,
say we will as a like a, as a say
completed.
there's a file, yeah, as a file, as a deliverable should be there to say is completed.
Yes, we can do it. That is not a big deal, I think.
So in their GitHub, because they don't have our GitHub access, right?
But
We'll keep it as
who
private
is
for
going to do Nike? Is he okay? Like
yeah, Nike.
implementing?
So
Yes, yes, I
no,
can.
or else if
Sir,
we if
sir, I will send you. You will upload that.
Both ways it is okay. You post in group, we will try to push. But that is what, see, we directly pushing without discussion. It is not good way, right,
Yes, yes, sir.
Lakshmi?
yes, no, we'll not push it saying that we complete, but we'll discuss,
That is what
and we'll say
tomorrow we will like try to show that final
yes,
file, and the file is
yes,
ready. And if they are
okay,
asking where you have kept, then we have not pushed it since, so we have to discuss before
yes, okay,
uploading anything, and we
yes,
will say
yeah,
like that.
that also, yeah, that's better. And after confirmation, we can push it. Yeah, you're right. Vishnu.
So you like Nayak, what you do is try to delete rows you have which you have given like that. Same way, 16 rows also he is not going to do, Lakshmi. That is okay, right? At present, only top
Sorry.
rows he deleted. Top rows he
Yes,
deleted and he calculated and everything is clear. Okay, and in between
yes,
there are a
yes,
lot of null values is there. After getting confirmation from iNeuron that okay, delete
yes.
this
Then
much
only we
data,
can. Yeah.
then we will delete.
Ideally, it is a not way, actually not a good way to delete it, right? Because continuous data, last 17, like 16 hours values, if it is there means it is a null means we need to treat it as a null only. General, how the current AQI is URL is doing. If it is null means for 16 hours null means for that AQI it will be completely null.
Correct.
So it
Null
is not.
means data is insufficient. It
Yeah.
is telling, but for
Yes,
our
yes,
model building, if it the lot of blank values is there means it will not be like
will
good one, right? So
yes, yes.
that
We need to populate without deleting. We need to populate. If we delete it, so hours of data will not get impacted.
but if we have not deleted, if it is a huge amount of data, then the
Yeah,
model will
that
be
also
biased.
it has more biased. Yeah,
Uh,
you are right. Then better to delete it. Yes.
that's what this point we'll discuss tomorrow. After
Yes.
that, we'll
Yes.
discuss. So, Naik, whatever now you have run, right? Save that CSV and post it in our group,
Yes, yes, sir.
internal group.
Sir,
Ah,
what is the method to export it to CSV?
two CSV, two
Two
CSV,
yeah, two CSV.
Data frame dot 2 underscore CSV.
2 underscore CSV, correct. Exactly.
Yes.
And try to
File
give
name.
whatever file name dot CSV with
You give the model what you used. AQI like imputed AQI something. Put a model and imputation one word.
AQI underscore
AQI
imputation.
AQI underscore
imputation and model imputation model. Okay, model name.
Imputation Akima.
Yes. .csv.
Even we can see that 17,000 rows, it is 18,000 rows nearly, it is there, so it is good. So is there any other points? So he's finalizing this also. Is there any other points?
Mm,
Any other? And Lakshmi, that last hour data, we cannot do anything,
Yes.
right? Using code, we cannot do anything, right?
That's
Yeah.
scrapping, right? The scrap what
Ah.
they used that one
Hmm.
only, right?
Because
Just
that
I'll check that
JSON file, we are giving hourly data. That's it, and it is not giving that value.
Yes, I will put actually before the meeting. Like I will also check
That will be good because
one more
instead of
time.
highlighting, we have come up with some
Yes.
solution and say
Some
that
solution.
even
Yeah. Instead of saying the problem, if you give the solution or workaround, that's better. Yeah. Okay. Last week I was able to I did not get much time on working on anything. That's the reason I was less active. Yeah, but I will check this from now. I'll check this one.
So any other things?
Sir, here are some values having 0.
Where?
Hello?
Yeah, tell
Sir,
me.
here are some values having 0. Wait, these are.
So it is 0 because it is previously itself it is 0 maybe. It is not a imputed value.
Okay, sir.
Because of that 0, you can see the down value, na 0.1, 0.3. This is the imputed value.
Yes, sir.
So that also add a point for our thing. Na we have to make 0, but what we can we can make null. 0 we can make null.
Zero,
Right?
we need to make it null. Yeah.
Ah.
0, we need to make it null.
You can rerun, right? 0, try to replace 0 with null and then rerun that code. Add one more. You can even make a list also. Same thing. Make sure that you are reading the data frame and then filling up. You have df everywhere, right? Last cell you have data frame with all null values and again you are rerunning it. Yes.
Instead of going one by one, you can run all at once, right? That also
No,
you can do.
sir, I have some other code below.
Okay. Sorry. Okay.
I think this framework will be replaced. Uh, 1 second. 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 1
Sorry?
I have given that same name. I think
No
this
problem,
one
no?
will be.
Yeah, no problem.
Yes, override. Yeah.
And Narayana, what will be the next plan if they have asked? Then what will be the answer for us? Because Sripati took the task, but he didn't given any conclusion on that.
This one, right? Like checking the sensitivity, that one, or stationary or sensitivity.
So
That one, right?
those three we will try to like
Yes.
highlight. So what you are going to do,
Yes.
we will do that one.
Yes, I started checking the sensitivity. It gave me that so useful, like preparing one document to present it.
Okay.
So next meeting I'll present that sensitivity. To the plan is that so what is the sensitivity, like the to give the like knowledge, like what is sensitivity, why you check that, and how we can check our data.
Yeah,
Like
that
that.
that approach will be like very good. Like no, see, even we know the things. If
Mm,
we just make the discussion happen, then some
mm.
new points may also come up, and we can, as
Yes.
a point, also we can conclude that topic.
Yes. Yes. And one more thing, Ishwar, not related to this one, regarding the okay, okay, we'll discuss this one. Then we can discuss other one.
There are still zero.
Still zero. I think still we have negative values also, right? PM
Because of zero,
2.5.
maybe it is coming. I think.
Okay.
Yes.
In the first rows, it is like not null, right? The cell which you have deleted. Make sure those two.
Yes,
The
sir.
df
I
dot
am
head.
reading.
df dot head
Reading what?
first rows, and wait, come down last cell also, just try to see it.
Sir,
It
which
is clear. Yeah, first and rows, this only I'm seeing. So you are reading in this first row and last row, there is no null values, and we have run the cells, right? So that is what, can we rerun total
yes,
from
sir. Yes,
here?
sir.
Just rerun the total cells, na? Sometimes going back and forth, it will create these nonsense. Not here, total up to till generation. Try to keep shift enter or cell run all.
I think I should delete this one. Akima one.
Why?
I
Regeneration.
think this
It
is
will
not over.
overwrite. It will overwrite. Acha, you are reading the same file.
No,
Ekima
no, sir.
1. Uh,
Yes,
the file you are writing and reading both are different, na?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
But I thought that it is not overwriting, maybe.
Where? The last cell.
Yes, sir. The in that place in which we are saving the file, main file.
It will overwrite. It will definitely it will overwrite. So it came negative value. How many? So whatever null values, maybe it may be the huge one gap, maybe come down. And why still 0 is there?
Okay. So can we compare that with real file? What is the value at that position?
Yeah, sure. I think 190. Control G, I think you can directly go to that cell.
Yes, sir. There are null values,
Yeah,
continuous null
but,
values.
but see, in between 0 it is there, right? Why it
Yes,
didn't
sir.
replace it?
So it
After
is filling up.
16.8, after 16.8 it is 0.
Yes, sir.
Correct? In the original also same thing it is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where is that?
And it
Why?
is filling up negative values for that null values. For all these null values, it is filling negative values, minus
That is what,
15.
because of somewhere 0 it is there, it is filling up of the null values. Correct? So
Yes,
my
sir.
question is, why didn't replace the null values? So that in that sheet now where 0 is there, whether it is replaced with another value or not, check it.
Yes, sir. I have written this code for replacing.
So can we filter here, like try to run the first cell reading the file, after this try to filter where the values are 0. It should not come up any values. Now after replacing, okay, both way you can do it. How many counters at least we can see?
Sir, what code to write for filtering that zero?
Equal to 0 square bracket, then df, pick up any row where the column is there. Df again, under that, inside the bracket, right? Df
Yes,
again square bracket,
yes, sir.
inside that mention a column name where zeros are there, any one column name.
This is
This
a
tolerance,
null value.
tolerance we don't require, right? As in code itself, you write now give only 7 columns, right? Give any column which if it has a 0 or not, we can able to find it out.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
No need to search. Try to 7 columns. Try to pick PM 2.5.
Sir, CO is something.
Okay, then go with CO
So CO
is equal to 0.
in same bracket.
After yes, there 0. O is capital or small?
O is 0, right? That is 0.
O you should be.
Yeah.
Again 0 you're typing, I think.
No, sir. Zero. It is
Zero.
zero.
Okay.
Okay. See, it is small O or capital O. Try to copy from that data frame. You have printed somewhere, right? See, O is
Okay.
somewhat different. Copy that and paste.
You can take.
Maybe space, nothing is there, na? That also one thing we have to see.
Yes, sir, we have not replaced.
Okay,
Maybe, sir.
yeah, run it. Directly copy that, paste it. So it don't have anything. And same code in the last. Try to execute everything and try to keep in the last. We'll see whether the model itself it is like giving the zero value. Okay, the model itself it is giving
Now it
zero
is
values.
zero.
How many? How many rows it was there? Like that? Count. Try to keep the length something like that. And in the downside, it will show, na? It will not show the total dimension of it. It is not show. Length of x you can put. So only 27, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 27.
Maybe it can be removed when that 16 cells we are willing to keep, right? If we implement that one, then definitely it may go. I'm thinking since the gap is very long, like 3 months data, na, it may go up and down also. Like the model, if it says some sinusoidal wave, maybe even the prediction of a chemo also will be like the wave kind of thing, right? It should predict like that. In that case, if the gap is so much, then it will try to resemble that shape. So after removing null rows, right, and keeping only 16, maybe it will not reflect. That's what I am thinking.
Yes, sir. I also think that. Sir, can I replace this Akima with some other one?
Yeah, try V-ship, but you have to run from top, or else try to rename the bottom one after applying. Try to assign with some different df1 something. Even same code you have made equal to 0, right? There you can put some greater than less than 0 also. So all negative values, how much values it is predicting, we can guess.
Yes, sir. For PG it is zero, but here are no negative values.
No, try to put in the code less than or less than 0. Where you put equal to 0, make it less than.
Sir,
Yes.
should I use equal
Enter.
to 0 also?
No, equal to not required. We want negative values are there or not, right? So okay, it is not there. So instead of that df dot columns, can we keep? I don't know. Like or directly df less than 0. Can we keep like that? Right. So in the total data frame without entering columns, it will give our error. Delete that CO within the bracket. Not like that.
So should I delete this
No,
one?
no, no. Control Z.
Control Z.
Go back. Go back to the previous code. Don't put at the end. Instead CO na CO that you delete with the delete. Keep only df. That
So
that
delete.
also remove that square bracket also. Try. I think it will give error. Just try. Yeah. Then keep df dot columns in the square bracket. No, 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 no. The square bracket df dot columns. I think it will also not work. It will not work. Try to put some other copy. 7 parameters, right? Try to copy paste
Sir,
quickly.
sir, we
So
can use AND operator.
that also can be done. End. It should not be end. I think it should be R. It is not like that R. I think it should be like above enter key. Now there is one symbol, shift.
So it can also work.
Okay, try it.
Sir, which column?
Take the first column PM 2.5.
All are capital.
That's why R you replace with above enter key one. This one. No, no, one only. One time. Yeah. Again error.
So it is comparing D-type float 64 with Boolean.
Go up. Go up. You put brackets. No, no, keep that. Keep like that. Keep like that. Put brackets with the first df up to 0. Same for second set also. Enter. So same like that you try to keep 7 cells. I think it will not be. CO is it is not came, right? So P chip also it is okay, good value. So there is no negative values. What do you say, Narayana?
Yeah, if it is no negative values, yeah, it's fine. Actually, yeah, I see that.
Then
So
7 value.
previously it was null, right? Because of 0 it became negative values, right? Okay, okay.
Because of what I am thinking is there are a lot of null values in between.
0 and 0 values also, right? Yeah.
No, because of not 0 also. Even 0
Okay,
we have compared. 0 it was deleted,
okay,
but after
okay,
predicting it is coming as 0.
okay, okay.
So because of one place it is 0, other place it is
Mm.
coming negative.
Okay, okay. Then
So
it's fine. This one, yeah,
so
this method is fine. Less than equal to. Oh, okay, less than equal to.
So in this case, 0 also not there, na? Which
Yes, sir. This is
Okay, then it
not
is
there.
good now. Then it is good.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, good. So let's save this file, okay, output, and share it in the group so that we will have some good without negative values. All values was filled up.
This one, sir.
And after this meeting also now, Naik, try to keep those 7 columns in that code, run it one time, make sure that there is no 0 or negative values.
Okay, okay, sir.
0 is acceptable for time series, na? Even negative, since the values cannot go negative, it is not, we have to bypass it.
Yes, sir. PGP is doing good. All the 0 values are replaced now.
Then keep this file. Only one thing is that 7 columns. Try to copy paste it. Even I think you can do it now. Now also it will not take much time. Make sure that 7 columns with 7 columns. There only. You put OR gate, right? Control Z. Why you have deleted that? Control Z. Give control. Downside that column names also there. Put R. Copy paste. Change that 7 columns. Name. More times. More. Just change that names. Downside it is there, na? Name. Just copy and paste it. There only. Output. Copy from. Put in the same sequence. It will be good for you. Some space extra character came. NH3. Where it was.
Zero values.
Okay. Then it will be good. I think even it will not be negative values, also, I'm sure. Less than or equal to keep it. And Narayana, these in our repository, how we'll try to maintain multiple files are coming up. So how we will keep
So once we finalize this one, right? This imputation. So we'll put it in the main directory now with the name of imputation. AQA imputation. We're testing one is correct because every person will be testing, right? With AQA scrapping and different. So testing. So once we decide that, because for example, now we decided this one will move it to the main folder.
that is what keeping a single file or multiple files. If it is multiple files, now I have uploaded one AQA file, right? Only the which approach is better,
Yes.
it is the one
Approach
file.
analysis. We can keep that one as approach analysis.
Okay, and coming back to this is actual filling up of null values.
Yes.
It's only that set.
Yes.
That is it.
Yes.
So multiple files we will, for each task we will keep separate files so that it will keep simple.
Better. Yes. So if now you want to analysis also, we can take that one also. We can do.
Okay. Then Nayak, you do some like smart beautification in this code and try to post in that group.
Like just putting some comments actually, like each line, each cell before that what we are trying. In future also after 1 month, if you see, at least we can understand.
Okay, sir. I will
Not
modify.
urgent. Yeah, you can take. Yeah.
Okay. Sir, I have shared that file in WhatsApp group.
Okay, that it will be
Okay.
there
Okay.
with for tomorrow reference. No problem. So Narayana, only for
So
you some task is there, that screenshot
yeah,
task.
yeah, definitely. Before that, I do not have that sub-index one, but you said about Excel, right? Excel I have downloaded, and also AQ calculation PDF also I downloaded. I'll check the both one. I'll keep the screenshot of how each one is doing, and also the hourly data screenshots also I will keep it, which is missing.
1 and 4 points. We need some
Yeah,
screenshot. And third
and
point,
also
yeah, tell me.
23rd hour screenshot also I'll keep it.
Yes. So third point also we have to change it, right? So we'll change it now itself by to
Yes, better. You can put some star, asterisk, and third point you can put that.
what it is after impression. What if some rows are having null values? So what we will say for that? Any conclusion?
So it's a question, right? Open question, right? That one.
Open
That is.
question.
So can we? Yeah. Still, that is a good approach to go via the 2-3 approaches to fill the null values, or we need to go with one. Just a clarification, but anyway, I think that it is better if you get it one null value. The
No,
second
we
one,
didn't.
second
We
one.
we have finalized renaming that
No,
one.
not it is not for us actually. For
No,
him to ask.
for them only. What
Okay.
we like thought is not reframing like 2-3 approaches, right? Whether we
Sorry,
have a no, we thought of reframing that question. Is that
yes.
reframing is like going with 2 approaches? The question is.
Yes. Two approaches. Yes. Going with the two approaches
Okay.
or single approach is better.
So can I
So
stop
I
here?
have yeah, you can stop. I just specially if it is any correction in the sentence, you can add it.
And Naik, you will be joining right tomorrow class. Tomorrow 10 a.m. class.
Yes.
This one session. Okay, because to share it, this one code. If at all available. Okay, thank you.
Definitely, Paul will not have that much patience. He will try to
Yeah, obviously. He's a super fast.
we have to hold him. We are not clear
Yes.
here. We have to hold him. So I think it is okay. Good. Today. Okay, let's attack tomorrow. That's what if we can extract something as a information knowledge from Anjuna as a project. If we are doing under them, it will be good for us. Or else, whatever we are doing, they are saying okay, then it will there will not be any.
Yeah. It is like we are only because they
We
know
are
much.
trying them. We will be trying.
Yeah, that's what. Okay.
Okay, good. Then I think we'll meet tomorrow. If I am late, I'll try to catch up. Narendra.
Okay, sure.
Okay, guys. Good night.
Okay.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night. Bye.